The tariffs will inevitably be in effect this year, with 10% tariffs on goods imported from China and 25% from Canada and Mexico. Let's go over some things that you can do to offset these costs. So the first method to dealing with tariffs is pretty straightforward. We increase the price. Increasing the price in accordance with the tariffs implemented to your product. Challenge here is that it may potentially make your prices non-competitive in your category. But if all the other products are doing the same thing, it won't make that big of a difference. The second option is to absorb the costs. Well, you can simply absorb the cost of the tariffs from your profit margin. It's plain and simple, and it's not the greatest situation for you, but if your profit margin is wide enough that you can take the hit, it might be worthwhile, because then you potentially have the advantage of remaining price competitive for your niche. So it's really up to you to determine whether increasing the price is mandatory, but if your profit margin can handle it, absorbing the cost might actually be into your benefit if it gives you a price advantage over your competitors. The next option is negotiating with your supplier. Well, you can aim to reduce the cost of your product by 5 to 10%, especially if you have a product that you can acquire from multiple different potential suppliers. So consider negotiating the lower price or finding a manufacturer that can meet the new price requirement. Of course, to negotiate with your supplier, it's not like they just want to sell you it cheaper. They don't want to take the hit, which is why to maintain competition is you might have to submit a RFP or RFQ from other suppliers and basically have another bidding war effectively.